Photoshop is a widely used graphics editor program created and published by Adobe for Mac OS and Windows. Photoshop is basically a raster-based image editor which has the capability of editing and composing raster images in multiple layers and supports features such as masking, alpha compositing, image wrapping tools, fluid camera rotation, file display tools, and much more advanced tools and features. Photoshop and some other software related to it is collectively branded as the Photoshop family. This family consists of Photoshop Elements, Photoshop Lightroom, Photoshop Express, Photoshop Fix, and other software. It is useful in the fields of professional photography, web designing, architecture, and forensic and medicines. Main components of Photoshop. In the above section, we have learnt about Introduction to Photoshop. There are some main components that one need. Menu bar. This is the first and most used component of any software. This option consists of various commands used to edit and compose images in the software. File, edit, image, layer, select, filter, view, window, and help are the basic commands. Options bar. It is a bar that shows several options for specific tools in the tool palette. When the user chooses a certain tool in the tool palette, the options bar showcases various preferences for that specific tool. Tools palette. This palette is present on the left side of the interface. It is a collection of icons that are used for creating and editing images, page elements, and artworks. Document window. It displays the current status of the file in which the user is working. These windows can be grouped and docked as per the requirement of the designer. The tools layout. Let's look at how the toolbar in Photoshop is organized. While it may seem like the tools are listed randomly, there's actually a logical order to it, with related tools grouped together. At the top, we have Photoshop's Move and Selection tools. Directly below them are the Crop and Slice tools. Below that are the Measurement tools, followed by Photoshop's many retouching and painting tools. Next are the Drawing and Type tools. And finally, near the bottom of the toolbar, we find Photoshop's navigation tools. The hidden tools. Each tool in the toolbar is represented by an icon, and there are many more tools available than what we see. A small arrow in the bottom right corner of the tools icon means that there are additional tools hiding behind it in the same spot. To view and access the additional tools, click and hold on the icon, or right-click on the icon. Either way displays a fly-out menu showing the other tools that are available. For example, if I click and hold on the rectangular marquee tools icon, the fly-out menu tells me that along with that tool. The default tool. The tool that's initially displayed in each spot in the toolbar is known as the default tool. The rectangular marquee tool is the default tool for the spot we are looking at here. However, Photoshop won't always display the default tool. Instead, it will display the last tool that was selected. Notice that after choosing the elliptical marquee tool from the flyout menu, the rectangular marquee tool is no longer displayed in the toolbar. The elliptical marquee tool has taken its place. The select the rectangular marquee tool at this point, I would need to either click and hold or right click on the elliptical marquee tool's icon. Then I could select the rectangular marquee tool from the menu. Move and selection tools. Move tool. The move tool is used to move layers, selections and guides within a Photoshop document. Enable auto select to automatically select the layer or group you click on. Artboard tool. The Artboard tool allows you to easily design multiple web or UX layouts for different devices or screen sizes. The Artboard tool is new in Photoshop CC.
Rectangular marquee tool. The shortcut for rectangular marquee tool is M. This rectangular marquee tool is used to select a rectangular portions from the image. There are 4 types of properties for rectangular marquee tool. The first one is new selection. New selection is used to select a particular rectangular portion from the image. Then the next one is add to selection. Can select multiple rectangular portions. If you select by overlapping, the areas get merged and then selected. Subtract from selection. This tool is used to deselect a particular portion that is selected. Intersect. To select a particular portion that is already selected. Elliptical marquee tool. Same like rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool has the same and similar properties. The only difference is in rectangular marquee tool, whatever you select will be selected in a rectangular format, but in elliptical marquee tool, it is selected in a circles. The elliptical marquee tool has also the same properties like rectangular marquee tool. The new selection, add to selection, subtract from selection, intersection. Single row marquee tool. When this tool is selected, two parallel lines will be created. This tool is mostly used to pick a particular color from a spot. In a picture, if there are more colors, then to select a particular color from a particular portion, this line will be placed in that particular position and the dropper will be selected and the color will be picked. Single column marquee tool. Same as single row marquee tool, single column marquee tool is also used to select a color. In single row marquee tool, a horizontal line will be created, and in the single column marquee tool, a vertical line will be created. In the before classes, we saw how a tool works in Photoshop. Now, we'll just see how to change the background of an image using Quick Selection tool. The shortcut for Quick Selection tool is W. Quick Selection tool works based on the colors. When you click Quick Selection tool, it picks the color automatically and selects a particular area which is in same color. You can then use the properties like Add to Selection, Subtract Selection, New Selection and adjust the area accordingly. Infographics, a clip compound of information and graphics. Infographics are graphic visual representation of information, data, or knowledge intended to present information quickly and clearly. Infographic is defined as a collection of imagery, charts, and minimal text that gives an easy to understand overview of topic. Why are infographic used? Provide a quick overview of a topic, explain a complex process, display research findings or survey data, summarize a long blog post or report, compare and contrast multiple options, raise awareness about an issue or cause. Effective ways to create an infographic design. Use lines, borders, and shapes to group related information. Use one contrasting color to guide your reader's attention. Create a text hierarchy with 3 different font styles. Use images, icons, and illustrations to make key takeaways memorable. Now, let's try making an infographic design using Photoshop.